In this video, I'll show you how to link Wix data to Google Ads so you can track conversions or build audiences based on activity from your Wix website. Start by opening your Google Ads account and going to the left-hand menu. Click Tools, then select Data Manager. This section is where Google Ads manages integrations with external platforms and data sources. On the Data Manager page, find the Featured Products section and click Search All to view available connectors. In the search bar, type Wix and select the Wix integration when it appears. Next, choose how you want to use your data. You can select conversions if you want actions like purchases or form submissions from your Wix site to be tracked in Google Ads, or audiences if you want to build remarketing lists based on visitor behavior. After selecting your preferred use case, click Continue. The setup process may use a third-party integration tool, such as Zapier, to connect Wix with Google Ads. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize your Google Ads account and Wix site, then configure the triggers and data fields you want to send. Once the connection is activated, it may take some time for conversions or audience lists to begin populating as new data is collected. Subscribe for more simple Google Ads integration tutorials.